Welcome back to Good Morning Boss. Ngayong umaga ay makakasama natin si Manager Florencio Galang Jr. mula sa Public and Media Affairs Department ng Pag-ibig Housing Loans. And of course, Tony, ang pag-uusapan natin ngayong umaga ay tungkol sa bagong programa ng Pag-ibig, which is the Online Housing Loan Program or mode of loan application. So, kausap natin ngayon si Sir Len. Magandang umaga, sir.
Yes, good morning, sir.
Yeah, magandang umaga, JC and Tony.
Yes,
Magandang umaga rin dun sa mga miyembro natin sa 12 million, no?
12 million members.
Yes, members ng
Across
Pag-ibig
the
Fund.
ang
Yeah.
dami.
Alright, sir. Siguro umpisahan na natin, Tony, no? Actually, sir, just for everyone's information, we were talking earlier, ang sabi ninyo ay required at mandatory po pala ang pag-a-apply ng membership sa
Yes.
Pag-ibig. And yet, 12 million pa lang ang members.
Yes, tama yan, ano, Tony. Under yung bagong 9679, which was made effective sometime 2010, January 2010 actually. Kinakailangan, sinasabi sa batas that if somebody or a Filipino is earning at least 1,000 a month, dapat siya mandatorily covered by Pag-ibig. So ibig sabihin, even the OFWs, professionals, mga sundalo, lahat yan covered na ng Pag-ibig Fund. So, but ang kagandahan kasi nito is the reason why it is made mandatory. Gusto nating ipa-share, no? Ma-share doon sa lahat ng mga Filipinos yung benefits of being a member. What is it? Dalawa kasi yung mandate ng Pag-ibig eh. One is savings and the other one is availment ng housing loan. In terms of savings, ang kaigihan kasi if you are a member of Pag-ibig Fund, you save at mga siguro 100 pesos lang yan, ano, which is the average savings rate per month. And you earn dividends yearly. Ang dividends natin tax-free. Mas malaki for the past 5 years, mas malaki siya yung dividends natin compared doon sa nai-yield kung ikaw nag-save sa regular savings account.
Oh, sir. Actually, interesting, sir, yung sinabi niyo ngayon ay kasama na yung OFWs.
Yeah, that's right. Correct.
Since 2010.
Yeah.
Paano sila, sir, magbabayad ng kanilang deposits
Okay.
sa
Ganito
Pag-ibig?
siya, no? Ang maganda kasi dito, we have an ongoing agreement with POEA, no? So, even before they go out of the country, nare-register natin sila, monitor
Right.
natin yung mga OFWs, and they are able to contribute. At the same time, pagbalik nila dito, dadaan sila lahat dun sa POEA din pabalik, we can also monitor. And also, dinadagdagan natin yung mga remittance centers abroad. Where they are, para easily they can remit their monthly savings.
And they can
Yes.
find these remittance centers saan, sir, kapag nasa abroad?
Usually, mga bank, Metro Banks.
Okay. So it's open po sa mga bangko para mas madali yung access ng mga Pag-ibig members.
Yes, Tony.
Okay, sir.
Actually, nakikipag-ugnayan kami sa mga bangko natin sa Philippine abroad. And then also yung mga collection centers like iRemit, yung mga ganyan.
Alright.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Puntahan naman po natin yung online housing, sir. Nabanggit niyo po kanina na para rin po itong like renewal of passport sa DFA
Tama.
na pwede ka nang kumuha schedules online and ikaw yung priority kapag online ka nga po kumuha ng
Yes,
schedule.
correct.
Pwede niyo po bang ipaliwanag to,
Correct.
sir?
Right now, we have been implementing for siguro around a month or two, no, yung ating online housing loan application. Napaka-convenient niya kasi sabi nga ni Tony, it's just like yun sa DFA system.
Yung appointment system.
Yes, kasi alam naman natin, lahat yan ng mga miyembro natin, karamihan nagtatrabaho at
Right.
importante yung oras sa kanila. So what they could do easily, kahit sa kanilang mga bahay, no, they can file online, fill out the application form, and then sila na yung mamimili nung kanilang preferred date na kung kailan sila pupunta sa opisina para actually i-file, i-submit yung documents, no? And of course, given na sila yung nakaschedule dun sa oras na yon at araw na yon, agad yung aasikasuhin ng ating counter service personnel. Ang kagandahan pa nito, even before sila mag-file, somebody would call them up to check kung talagang kumpleto na yung requirements.
Right.
So, sir, pagpunta doon, kumpleto na. Kasi, sir, nabanggit
Sisiguraduhin
niyo rin
natin.
kanina
Yeah.
na pag incomplete, hindi niyo po ina-approve.
Oo, tama yan.
Yes, sir.
Kasi kung halimbawa, of course, we also have yung mga hindi nag-online na would go to our office, dala yung kanilang requirements But sometimes may mga kulang pa, no?
Yes.
At pag kulang, hindi po natin yan tinatanggap dahil hindi natin alam kung kailan nila makukomply ulit yan, magpa-file up lang yan doon sa atin.
Alright.
Speaking of requirements, sir, ano ba yung mga kailangan dalhin ng isang applicant for a loan?
Siguro mas maigi, JC, that banggitin natin na ang unang-unang requirement is you have to be an active Pag-ibig member.
Right.
Okay? When we say active Pag-ibig member, you have at least 5 monthly savings or with us dun sa from the date of loan application and at least monthly contributions na nagawa mo. Now, but hindi ibig sabihin no that you have to wait for 2 years bago ka makapag-avail ng housing loan dahil sa Pag-ibig we allow yung lump sum remittance of contribution. Ibig sabihin, 1 year ka pa lang nagwo-work, may nakita kang property na gusto mong bilhin, okay? Pwedeng gawin mo,
I-advance
kulang ka
mo na.
ng 12 months, advance ka ng
Yes.
12 months, and then you can avail of a housing loan.
So sir,
okay.
is it possible kunyari nag-a-apply ka ng housing loan tapos ang gagawin mo na agad ay doon ka na mag-member mismo, lump sum 2 years? Posible ba yun, sir?
Well, gaya ng sabi ko sa iyo, it's mandatory. The membership
Right.
with Pag-ibig is
In the
mandatory.
first place.
So, hindi ibig sabihin na kung kailan ka lang gusto mag-loan, ayun na. Kasi pag inabutan ka nung aming enforcement,
Okay. Yes, sir.
maaaring masita ka pa.
Nako,
Yes,
patay,
sir.
patay tayo, Tony.
Parang meron akong alam na hindi pa member.
Pero sir, how do you enforce this? At ano yung penalty? Is it a criminal charge?
that
kapag-
can be.
Okay.
Yeah, it's both criminal. But ang ginagawa natin, we do have our enforcement units, no? Yung mga branches natin, nag-iikot yan, ano, nationwide. So they visit of course, prioritize yung mga employers kasi yung mga empleyado nila dapat natin protektahan. And we do
Okay.
encourage, of course, yung mga professionals, mga talents,
Yes,
mga
sir.
individual payers or self-employed. We do it through parang mga agreements with associations where they are affiliated, like professionals sa PRC, nakikipag-coordinate.
Okay, sir. Yes, sir. Sir, ano naman po yung dapat kinikita ng tao? Gaano po kalaki dapat ang kinikita niya para maka-avail po siya ng housing loan?
You won't believe it. Dahil even minimum wage earners can avail of a housing loan with Pag-ibig Fund. Okay, meron tayong affordable housing program. Yun yung maganda no? Aside from the regular program, we have an affordable housing loan program talagang exclusive for minimum wage earners. Ibig sabihin, 100,000, pwede sila maka-avail ng loan only at 4.5% fixed interest rate for 10 years.
10 years, sir. 4.5%
4.5.
for 10 years.
Yeah, but the maximum term is 30, but for the first 10 years, fixed yun, 4.5%. Mas mababa compared to sa regular.
Yes.
Tanong mo, JC, kung
Right,
bakit 4.5?
Oo nga,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Dahil sa contributions mo na rin.
Well, not just that. Because under the law which I was telling earlier, in 9679, exempted si Pag-ibig from paying taxes eh.
Of course.
So, yung nasa-save natin na taxes, around 2 billion mahigit, no? Average yearly, we do infuse it as support,
Right.
assistance to those members natin na mas kailangan ng assistance. So, yung kakulangan dun sa interest na sa regular program, sinusupport natin sila.
So ito sir, 4.5% would be annual interest, right? Just to be clear.
That's
sir.
right,
So
that's right.
4.5% annual interest. Tapos meron kayong mga terms sir na mahaba, no? Umaabot
Yes,
ng
maximum of 30 years.
maximum of 30 para bayaran.
Correct. Kaya
With
ibig
annual
sabihin,
amortization.
mababang interest rate, mas mahaba ang loan term, talaga napaka-affordable.
Okay, sir. Sir, kapag nag-apply ka naman ng housing loan, gaano po katagal yung process para po ma-approvehan yung
Yes.
yung paglo-loan?
We have a commitment na 15 working days.
15 working days.
Until approval.
Okay, sir. Sir,
Right.
so ganun lang yun. Mabilis lang pala. Kasi yung iba
That's right.
akala inaabot ng months dahil sa dami rin ang nag-a-apply. Di ba,
Well,
sir?
siguro hindi natin maalis na yung ibang baka merong ibang mga ahente kasi sa labas no na who wants a other financing mode na nadi-discourage nila yung ibang members, but we have to make emphasis sa ating mga miyembro na 15 working days ang ating processing time.
Yes, sir.
Actually, sir, yung gusto ko ring malaman ay magkano, sir, yung monthly deposits or monthly contributions na required sa isang miyembro?
Okay, right now, no, it's based on the 2% of your income. Pero may cap tayo na ceiling na 5,000. So lumalabas maximum is 100.
100,000, sir.
No, 100 pesos
100
monthly.
pesos
Monthly
Ang mahal.
savings.
Okay.
But you have the option na mag-contribute more kasi kung ikaw may sobra and you know that the dividends na binibigay ni Pag-ibig is mas malaki compared doon sa regular savings account, then
Yes.
I'd rather
By all means, sir.
save with Pag-ibig more than the 100 pesos requirement.
Yes.
Very interesting, no?
Yes, very
kung paano
interesting.
nilalapit talaga ng Pag-ibig yung bukod sa loaning pala, no?
Yes.
Kasama na dito yung savings interest
That's
para
right.
sa ating mga
Yes.
mamamayan.
Yes, dahil po nabanggit natin yung housing and savings, meron pa po bang ibang proyekto ang Pag-ibig ngayong 2013, sir?
Well, sa ngayon, ang target natin is to increase or padamihin yung ating branch offices, no? Para sa ganun, mas maging malapit pa tayo sa ating mga miyembro.
Okay, sir.
In fact, we are targeting itong mga malls. Right now, we have at Robinsons na
Is it at
sa lahat na ba
Robinson's
ng
Galleria,
malls?
sir, or all the Robinsons?
maraming branches
okay.
ng Robinsons na merong mga centers for
Yes,
government.
kasi may nakita,
Nandun
sir,
sila.
ako sa Robinson's
That's right.
Galleria.
That's right.
Yes, sir.
Sa Robinsons kasi, no, parang meron na rin silang NBI doon.
Oo, may
Yes.
LTO na rin, may DI.
Pero hindi hihinto yan sa Robinsons. Dadami pa yan.
Right.
Yes.
Bukod, sir, sa pagpaparami ng branches ng Pag-ibig, do you have, kunyari, program, sir, para sa mga hindi naman miyembro? Kunyari, mga hindi pa earners talaga ng, kasi kailangan 1,000
Yes.
pesos yung contributions, no? Or is it strictly for members?
Actually, yung ating mga non-members, voluntary members tawag natin dyan, basta hindi ka covered ng Pag-ibig Fund, pwede ka namin tanggapin as member. Like, for example, yung mga dating Pilipino na nag-migrate abroad, hindi sila covered eh. But they can voluntarily save with us. Kasi actually marami kaming members na ganyan, ano?
Na voluntary
Voluntary
members.
because ang intention pa rin is later on, babalik yan sa Pinas and then they avail of a housing loan.
Right.
Natituluyan nila dito.
Okay, sir. Siguro meron ba tayong mensahe na lang para sa ating mga
Message.
viewers
Yes, sir.
ngayong umaga?
Okay, gusto lang nating i-emphasize that yung Pag-ibig Fund is a savings program as well as yung housing program ang ating mandate. And we would like to invite our members to visit our website, no, for more details, information. It is visit at www.pagibigfund.gov.ph for details.
Maraming salamat,
Yes.
sir.
Thank
That
you
was
so
Manager
much.
Florencio Galang Jr. or si Sir Len ng Pag-ibig.
Salamat, JC.
Yes,
Salamat,
thank
Tony.
you, Sir Len.